This is where you get to see the doggo's stubbornness, and you cannot let your doggo win here. What I'm trying to let her know now is that this food belongs to me. Yeah, she's hungry. I don't care how hungry she is. Until she's relaxed, I'm not gonna let her eat. This is gonna be a workout. No. No. Manners. Good manners. Good. Stay. Stay. Okay. Stay. Good girl. Come. There's some distractions now because there's some guard dogs over there.
They're like fighting.
Which is, I've noticed the dogs are not balanced. They're pretty crazy. And she feels that energy and she doesn't like that energy, so she's scared. Good girl. Good waiting. Very respectful waiting. Very nice. That's your reward for being respectful. Good job. Stay. 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 Sit. Stay. 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 Eye contact. When you get eye contact, that's when your reward. That's when you're connecting with her soul through the eyes. Yeah, I'm just gonna let her finish this because she's already not so hungry anymore. I'm going to be as willing as to follow instructions because she's less hungry now. So I'll just let her finish her food in peace. Good girl. And you also wanna always have your hand there so she recognizes what your hand is. She can never hurt you, never scratch you. She has to be gentle. There are some dogs that when you give them food, they go grrr like this, like even to their owner. That's dangerous. Your dog has to be gentle with you always because you are the hand that's feeding it.